Hidden in the mountains of the Caucasus is a country with traditions that go back thousands of years. From the modern streets of Yerevan to its deeply moving history, I spent a day exploring Armenia, and this is what it's really like. My day of discovery really took off at Kecharis Monastery. Nestled in the mountains of Tsaghkadzor, this medieval complex has stood since the 11th century as a center of Armenian learning and faith. After exploring its modern courtyards, we made a quick stop to admire the St. John the Baptist Church in Abovyan. Even from the outside, the scale of its modern dome and the detail in the orange stone are incredible. It feels like a massive tribute to Armenia's ancient faith. From there, we pushed on to the Temple of Garni. Seeing those Greco-Roman columns standing defiant against the winter frost is one thing, but when you look over the edge, the scenery is even more legendary. The Garni Canyon drops away into a sea of snow-covered cliffs that feel just as ancient as the temple itself. You can't experience Armenia without the food. We stopped to watch traditional lavash being baked in a taner or underground oven. There is nothing quite like the smell of fresh bread to break up a long winter drive. It may look plain and simple, but it tasted absolutely amazing. To see the true scale of the landscape, we took the lift up to Tsaghkadzor. Rising above the clouds for a view of the white-capped peaks, we ended the journey at Lake Sevan, one of the largest high-altitude freshwater lakes in the world. And as you can see from the view, it's amazing. Seeing the Sevanavank monastery sitting on the peninsula against the backdrop of the Blue Pearl was the perfect finale. Armenia in the winter is quiet, cold, and absolutely unforgettable.